In this video, we are going to see how we can bookmark a particular website in Google Chrome so that we can easily access it the next time. And it makes it so much easier to work on your daily task. So let's say I want to open YouTube or basically Twitter, whatever website it is. And here we have this open. So if you want to bookmark this, all we have to do is just to the top right corner, you can see this little star icon next to the URL. Just click on that and it allows you to save this as a bookmark. By default, the name is YouTube, but you can change it to whatever you want. And it is set to other bookmarks. But let's say that we want to save it on the bookmarks bar, because when you enable the bar, you will see all of these shortcuts as a bar set with the icons of daily use. So let's continue with that. Click on done. And once we want to see the list of those, let's say the next website which we will be doing is, let's say we regularly check Wikipedia as well. So let's make Wikipedia as default. Just click on that, save to the bookmark bar, and that's it. Similarly, LinkedIn, a very popular website. So let's say that we regularly use that. Let's click on this star, bookmarks bar, done. Now you might be thinking, where are all these bookmarks going? It's going right here. Just click on these three dots, go to the bookmark list, and here you have it. But let's say that you don't want to go into this hassle of clicking on these three dots and going it here. So what you can do is just click on show bookmark bar. And what this will do is this will open up this little bar where you can see all of these shortcuts created right here. Whatever you want to change the name of, you can edit it from here. Just click on edit. And let's say it's too long. Let's write LinkedIn, save. And here you go. You can shorten the name like that. You can also create a tab group, but that's for a later part. So that's pretty much it, guys. This is how you can easily create bookmarks in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.